Hey, welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Today I'm going to answer the question, can you make money on YouTube? And the short answer is yes. And I'll go through the ways on how you can make money in a second. But first, I'm just going to talk about how I got into YouTube and why I got into YouTube and how I started the channel. So, my brother-in-law has an internet marketing company. And he had to go and do like a presentation. I don't know whether it was for a school alumni thing or some kind of a business group or whatever, but he had to go and give a presentation. So he gets up and he does his spiel in front of everybody, and then he sits down. The next guy gets up. And he's like, "Hi, my name is whoever. I'm 24 years old. I'm a multi-millionaire and I make all my money on YouTube." And I'm like, "What? You can make money on YouTube?" So I had no idea. So like that night I went home and I kind of looked it up on YouTube and like how to start a channel and stuff. And I did that. I picked a name really quick. And that's how I ended up with Rob's Garage Woodworking. And then, that started my journey. And here I am, 13 years later it is, 13 or 14. So when I started my channel, the only thing I had was just like a regular digital camera that could take video, and the video editor that came with my computer. It was iMovie. So it was difficult at first because the learning curve on how to make and edit video is something that I've never done before, and how to upload it and so on. And now, however, you can use YouTube to teach you how to make and share your content on YouTube. So it's a bit different now. You can look up every step of the way. There are tutorials on everything. So if you want to make a channel, it's not that difficult. If I did it way back when, it's so much easier now. The first and foremost way to make money on YouTube is monetizing your channel. So monetization. When you publish a video, YouTube places ads at the beginning of your video, and if it's a longer video, they place ads in the middle as well. And to qualify for monetization, you have to have 1,000 subscribers on your channel and 4,000 watch hours. But don't let this prevent you from starting the channel, because your content, depending on who you are and what you're doing, your content could be very popular and you might even get monetized within a year. It's not that uncommon. People have been very successful on this. So yeah, and it might take longer than a year. So don't let that dissuade you. Just go in, start your channel, start making videos, and you will get there eventually. Yeah. So this isn't really a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, and some people are lucky enough to make this a full-time gig, okay? And that would be amazing, but so far that hasn't happened to me. Second thing, selling products or services. Now you can sell products and services and use YouTube as an advertisement. You can post videos of you making the products and using your products, and it can reach a large worldwide audience. I get comments from around the world on some of my videos, and it's pretty cool. Combine this with like Facebook Marketplace, Etsy, Instagram, blogs, and a personal website, and you get maximum exposure. And at the moment, I'm not selling anything, but I may in the future. When I start doing some bigger projects, I might do some furniture sort of products and sell those. I'm not sure yet, but as of right now, I'm not doing any of that. Free products. So number 3, free products. Now you can get free products. Companies are actively looking for people to test, review, and use their products as part of their advertising strategy. I've been getting free products for years now, and you can see them in my videos. Anything that I think is fit for my channel, I'll accept it and review it. One of the most recent ones that I've received was the LBT garden tool organizer. And you can watch that video here on my channel. And what did I put that one up in December or something? December, January? Anyway, I think it was January 2026. And number 4, affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is when you mention a product in your video and add a link to your description. So I've done that with the LBT garden tool organizer. So I've just really started this. Like, I've been doing reviews for a long time, but I haven't done any affiliate marketing. I've just started that. And you can do this in many areas like Instagram, YouTube, blogs, Amazon storefronts, and through your own website and stuff. I've just started doing this. I joined up last month, so this is all new to me, but there's millions of videos out there promising that, you're going to get big money doing affiliate marketing, and you might. Ask me in a couple of years and you'll find out if I've made any money. I know there's a lot of people that do it. I've seen other YouTubers do it, and some very successful YouTubers. So if they're already successful, they're probably making money as well off of that. So yeah, you provide a link, and if people click on your link and buy the product through your link, then you receive a sales commission for that product. So if, say for example, I get this Mega Pro screwdriver, right? And I link it to my video, and you click on it, and you buy the screwdriver, I'll get a commission. It might be a couple of bucks, but it's one of those things where it's a tiny amount of money, but if you have enough subscribers and your video gets enough views, multiply that by all the videos that you have, all the products that you're essentially advertising for, it can add up. You can end up with making a fair bit of money. So, yeah, like I said, ask me in a couple of years how I'm doing with that. We'll see. Right now, it's just an experiment to me, and I haven't really, I haven't really done anything with it. It's kind of new. Sponsors and private ads. So you can be contacted by companies that want you to make private ads or make video ads for them, and they'll pay a fee for that ad. So sometimes creators will state this video has been sponsored by, and then they do a small commercial for the product. They talk about it, and they might show some clips of them using it. And while I've seen a lot of creators integrate this into their videos, I've not done this yet. I don't mind reviewing products and stuff, but I haven't really done the ads yet. So, but that is a way to do it. That is a way to make money. And sometimes, like, I've had people reach out to me and say, oh, we pay $300 for this or $400 for that, or we discuss rates, whatever. Anyway, I don't really feel that's a fit for my channel right now, so I haven't tried it. So that's 5 ways to make money. What are the negatives? So what are the negatives of having a YouTube channel? Well, most of my experience has been very positive, but you are on the internet. So you soon learn that many people think they're smarter than you are. And even if you're an expert in a certain field, you'll have all these comments saying, oh, you did that wrong, you did this wrong, and everybody's got an opinion, right? So, and people might make fun of your appearance or your mannerisms if you talk like this, any of that stuff. They might make fun of you for that, make fun of your appearance, how you speak, your mannerisms, your accent, or even like some of the content on your YouTube channel. But don't let this get you down, because that's the internet. That's the way of the beast, really. People can be jerks, okay? Just let it slide. So for every crappy comment that you get, you should get 10 really good comments, 10 people that are happy that you shared your video with them. Especially since these videos are free. Like, it's not like I'm getting paid to put the content out there. I'm getting paid based on how many people watch my content. So the better the content is, the more money I'll make, right? And so that's the end goal. Also, when you tell your friends and family, they can be really negative, and tell you it's a complete waste of time or it's a stupid idea. And even my wife once, she's like, angrily said to me, are you making another stupid YouTube video? And this is when I just started, and I'm like, oh, it's so aggravating. I'm trying to make my life better. I'm trying to make some money. I'm trying to share knowledge with other people, especially all the DIY stuff, because, you know, I learn different things from YouTube, and I like to share my knowledge with other people. So anyway, she's like, "Oh, you making another stupid YouTube video?" And she's all angry about it, like I'm wasting my time, and, you know, she's embarrassed. But, you know, a year later, I get a check from YouTube, and this is before. Now they will only pay you in $100 increments, and that's once a month, and that's direct into your bank account. But back then, you know, I got a check for $50. So I said to her, "Oh, look at this. I got this check." And she's like, "Oh, for what?" And I said, "Oh, for my YouTube channel." "What? Really?" She grabs the check and looks at it and double checks it. And she's like, "Oh, you should make more videos." And I thought, oh, I just want to, like, thanks, woman. You know, I'm so angry about it. But, you know, that's the reaction of people. People think that certain things can't be done, right? But that's really been my whole life experience. People have always been telling me all the things that I can't do, everything that's impossible. But, you know, it's never stopped me before. People always tell me what you can't do. And I'm like, "Oh, why can't you do it? Like, why can't I do that?" Well, I can do that. I can go get that job. I can make that money. You know, whatever. It's even getting married. I'm like, "Oh, don't get married. You'll just end up divorced." It was like, what, 33 years now I've been married? Is it longer than that? And it's been a while anyway. I better check that before my next anniversary. But yeah, it's not impossible. It can be done, right? So your success isn't dependent on others. Don't let other people's limitations limit you. Okay? And that's kind of life advice from me. So is it worth it? Do you make any money? YouTube has been one of my many life experiments. And for me, it's been great. I do make some cash, and yes, it's worth it to me. You still have to pay taxes on it. And your payments fluctuate depending on the amount of views you get. But I still make a steady monthly income. And your videos also get suggested more if there's lots of engagement, and that's views and likes and comments. So if you get a lot of people commenting on your video, a lot of people watch it, it gets recommended more by YouTube. That's why creators are always asking you to like, subscribe, and comment on their videos. So, do I recommend YouTube to people? All the time. All the time. I say this to everybody that has, like, you know, a passion that they have or a cool hobby. One of my friends is into investing, and he's teaching me the stuff about investing. And I said, "You should make your own YouTube channel," because I know there's lots of people on there, but he's got some really solid advice, and I made a little bit of money from it. So I'm working at that as well. So yeah, if I say to people, contribute your passions and your hobbies and your expertise to YouTube. Sharing hacks and tutorials makes life better for everybody, and people enjoy watching others do all sorts of things. It can be vicariously through others. The experience of others. It's like watching travel shows or van life shows. You know, somebody's traveling through. I recently watched some Europeans traveling through Newfoundland, and they had such a fun time while they were there. So yeah, it's fun, and you can make money doing it. So why not? So yeah, first of all, it's free to join. Like, YouTube's free to join. Secondly, you can make money. And sometimes it can turn your passion or your hobby into a full-time career, right? So I've seen lots of other people do this online. Now, I have a few people that I know that also have YouTube channels, and they're kind of like me, just starting, but they're monetized and they're starting to make some money. And one of my friends is into recording, and he makes videos like every single week. And I know this guy from high school. He's a great guy. But I don't do any music, so like every once in a while I see his video and I'll just like it, you know. But I don't watch it because I don't play music, I don't sing, I'm not in a band. So anyway, I'm there to support him. I hope this video has helped you out. I hope that it's helped you to understand some of the things a little bit better. I feel like there's a lot of clickbait videos on the internet about this subject. So I've been sort of apprehensive to make a video on it. And I think now that I've got enough like real life experience to share an honest and meaningful sort of perspective for it. And, you know, I'm at 17,500 subscribers. I make money every month. And I have done so for years now. You know, obviously not a millionaire, or I'd have a better garage. And I have cooler cars to work on. So when you see that, you'll know I'm more successful. But anyway, that's it for now. That's my video on the subject. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on the video. And thanks for watching.